Hello folks, in last video we talked about continuous integration, continuous deployment, continuous delivery, all these various terminologies that we use in DevOps. Now in today's video we'll talk about a tool called Jenkins which makes all of it possible. The tools that makes continuous integration or continuous delivery possible, they are called CICD tools. Jenkins is one such CICD tool. So in general, what does a CICD tool does? A good CICD tool makes it possible to fetch your code from your source code management tools like Git or SVN. These tools also get integrated very well with the build automation tools. So the tools that will ultimately compile the code. They facilitate database integration. They facilitate unit testing. They facilitate your functional testing. A CICD tool lets you deploy the application into a testing environment or staging environment. It integrates very well with your configuration and provisioning tools. So the scripts of configuration and provisioning etc. you can fire using this CICD tool. It lets your images get a tag, so you can version control your images. It helps you notify various stakeholders who want to get an email notification etc. whenever some significant thing happen with respect to the software development lifecycle. So for example, if a build is getting failed, it notifies the developers, the testers or maybe the managers about the build failure. It helps you visualize various kind of reports like build reports, test reports, unit test reports, code coverage report and all such various reports that you need to check out the quality of your code, quality of your images, quality of your tests. So basically CICD tool is the heart of your DevOps pipeline. It helps integrate with the source code management tools, build automation tools, infrastructure automation tools, monitoring tools and all those DevOps tools that are contributing in their own little way in making DevOps possible. Now Jenkins is one such CICD tool. So let's talk about Jenkins in detail. Jenkins is undisputed market leader in CICD tool. Why does Jenkins become so popular? So Jenkins was created by Kosuke Kawaguchi when he was working in Sun Microsystem. Something that started as a hobby project that became movement and in fact that brought this DevOps movement to the forefront. So let's talk about some of the features that makes Jenkins so widespread and so popular. So first thing is, Jenkins is open source. There are a large number of developers who are working on Jenkins to make it better for further use. Second, it's very easy to use. So it's very easy to configure, it's very easy to start your jobs on Jenkins and it gives you a proper graphical user interface that anybody can handle. One of the great features of Jenkins is its extensibility. So Jenkins can be integrated practically to any DevOps tool. It has a plugin based system, so if there is any new tool, you want it to be integrated with Jenkins, you can find a plugin for that tool, use that plugin and integrate that tool with the Jenkins. So almost any DevOps tool can be integrated with that. So today if you are creating a DevOps tool and you want to integrate with Jenkins, so you can create just a plugin for your tool and let it upload on the Jenkins. So when we explore Jenkins, we'll talk about this plugin based management system a bit more. So due to this quality, it can be integrated with various source code management tools. It can be integrated with various build automation tools and various test automation frameworks. It lets you see all the reports like build report, the test report, etc. on the same graphical user interface. So if suppose a developer is creating a code and pushing the code, he will immediately get the build report. If it fails, he will get the test report so that he can visualize everything that how he is performing. If there is some build fail, he can see the error in the build right away and correct it out. You can see the code quality matrices on that dashboard itself. Jenkins can work as a standalone build server, but it can also work in a distributed manner. That distributed Jenkins works in a master-slave based architecture. So there is one Jenkins master and you can integrate various build servers with that. So the actual compilation, actual build process may run on those worker nodes acting as a build server, and there is just one Jenkins master where you can see all the dashboard, the status of jobs and test reports, etc. It has a very robust email notification system. So suppose the build fails, then it immediately can trigger emails to various stakeholders so that they can take the corrective action as soon as possible. Most of all, Jenkins can be customized according to your need, your project's need, and as an individual, whatever you like, you can customize a dashboard according to your own preference. So all these are the features that makes Jenkins great to work with. So in the next video, we will be talking about how to install Jenkins, how to configure it, how to create jobs, etc. on Jenkins. Till then, enjoy. Bye bye.